Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with some shrimp rice dressing. This is basically just some dirty rice with shrimp in it, but it was made in the oven. So if you're interested in learning how to make this, guys, stay tuned. So first I'm going to start off with my veggies. What I have here are some green onions, some celery, and some bell pepper, and I just did a rough chop of those and set them to the side. Now we're going to put our soup mixture together. This is a can of cream of mushroom soup, a can of French onion soup, a drained jar of pimentos, and we're just gonna mix this up. You're also supposed to put your mushroom steak sauce in this bowl as well, but I forgot to. However, you will see me add that in towards the end. Once you mix all of these ingredients up, just put those to the side. Now we're just going to brown our meat. What I have here is a pound of hamburger meat, and I did lose the clip of me putting in some ground turkey sausage, and that's what that is right there. And then I'm just gonna add in my vegetables, and I'm just going to go ahead and cook and saute those. And then we're gonna season our mixture with some Tony sachet, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some pepper. And I did go real light with my Tony sachet because that soup mixture that we mixed up earlier is pretty salty, so you don't want to go overboard with it. And then after we give that a good mix and our meat is done, we're gonna add in a pound of raw white shrimp. And once we give that a mix, I'm gonna turn off the heat because we are going to cook the shrimp in the oven. I don't want to overcook our shrimp. So after we add in our shrimp, I just added that mixture to a baking dish, and I'm adding in some uncooked parboiled rice, and I'm going to add on my soup mixture, and we're gonna give this a stir. So here's my mushroom steak sauce that I should have added to the other soups, and I'm just going to mix this in. Y'all, I was so mad when I got to this point. I was like, something is missing, and I was like, dang, I forgot to get some mushroom steak sauce. So I actually had to stop this clip and go to the grocery store, y'all. A mess. But anywho, we're gonna place some aluminum foil on top and place our rice mixture in the oven for an hour on 350 degrees, and that's it, y'all. Shrimp rice dressing. It was very easy, very simple. At this point, you can adjust your seasonings. You can add in a little bit more garlic powder or salt and pepper, but I think it was perfect when it came out of the oven. And I actually did plate it with some blackened catfish, which you will see in the next video. Speaking of the next video, guys, I will see you in the next video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. Until then.